Okay, so here's the problem. We have a 2009 Saturn Vue with what headlamp out. So we're gonna have to change the light bulb. As you can see, that one is working right there, and that one is out. So that's the one we're going to change right there. In order to do so, we're going to have to remove this light assembly here in order to get into the back of it to remove the bulb. And to get rid of the light assembly, to take it out, we have to get rid of a couple bolts, take out a couple bolts here, and then some of these screws that are screwing in this plastic, housing unit. We're going to take off enough of these so that we'll be able to remove this light assembly, get in the back to remove the bulb, replace the bulb, replace the light assembly, and then put the bolts back in and the screws back on. Okay, so let's begin. So this bolt here and this bolt here are going to be taken off with a 10mm socket. Okay, so now we got to take out these screws, little plastic screws, and I can see work's been done on this car before. And they're Phillips heads, but some of them are pretty stripped, and they're plastic, so this may not be an easy doing. So I'm not going to bore you by taking all these out, just to let you know you got to take enough out so that you can move this thing back so you can get the light assembly out. So I'll go commence to taking these out right now. Okay, so I got the screws out of this housing unit. I gotta tell you, these screws are stripped too. This is not an easy job. I ended up having to break a screw. So hopefully I can go find one at an auto parts store. But anyway, what I did find out was, see that? There's another bolt to take out. So it's a 3-bolt to this assembly. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pull the headline out of the little groove that it's in. Just kind of finesse it out. Give it a little tug. Like that. So this is the back of the light assembly. And this one here is the bulb we want to replace. So we're just going to open this up. Like so. Take this off. Okay, so that's the light bulb right there. And we're just going to remove that. So I'm just going to grab the bulb from the back and then turn it counterclockwise and then just slowly pull it out. And there's a bulb. So you see these gray clips down here? I'm going to press in the gray clip and then pull out the cartridge. And the cartridge and the bulb are one unit. And now I'm just going to take that to the auto parts store and they get me an exact replacement. And here's the replacement. It's the Sylvania H11 bulb. And always wear gloves when working with bulbs so you don't get your finger oils on the bulb. It will lessen its life. So I'm just going to do the reverse, clip the cartridge back in, place the bulb inside the hole, and turn it clockwise. Now I'm just going to put this cup-shaped knob back on, twist it clockwise until it's in place, like so. And now I'm just going to turn on the light to make sure it works. And it works. Okay, so we're going to get this so that it's behind here. So I'm just going to put the light assembly back in, make sure that it's flush with the body and is nice and firm on top of the lip here. And then I'm just going to put the 3 bolts in. And then finally, I'm going to reconnect this housing unit here. I bought some of these screws. They're called rivet screws or screw rivets. And you see this part with the spider legs? That goes in first, and that connects the housing unit to the body, put it in the hole there. And this part here is a screw part. So I'm going to put it in by hand, and then I'm going to get a screwdriver and then finish it. But just snug, because I don't want to strip the screw. And then I'm going to do it for all of them. Okay, so now we've got all the bolts and all these little plasticky, I think they're called screw rivets, in. Let's close the hood and call it a day.